fall from the sky every time you walk by. Just like me, they seem to die close to you.
Why do pigeons lose their grip when you take that little trip, tumbling down in feathered zip close to you?
On the day that you go out, the sparrows all just black out, and gravity decides to give a shout and rain down blue jays by the ton.
It's not global warming, hun, it's you. Why do robins hit the ground with a sad and feathery sound?
They were flying safe and sound till you.
Why do seagulls lose their way and splat like wet confetti spray
every single sunny day close to you? Just like me, they long to be
slightly farther from your vicinity.
Together and decided you're a curse. So when you stroll on by, the sky becomes a hearse. Birds start dropping faster than bad stock in 29. It's not the wind, it's not the weather, it's your aura, pal divine. Why do finches faint mid-air
feathers floating everywhere
close to you?
Why do crows commit harry-carry from 100 stories high?
They see you and they say goodbye.
Just like me, they long to be
not pancaked next to your shoe,
close to you,
close to you,
close to you,
close to you,
close to you. On behalf of the Audubon Society, please stay indoors.